Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today I am going to do a product review of this Swiffer Wet refills. So I'm going to clean my house using these wet wipes, and I have this mop here. So basically you take out the wet wipes from here. Right here, these are the wet wipes that come. And then you basically load it up. You open it up and then you load it up onto the mop, and then you get mopping, and I will show you what happens. So I am mopping the floor with this Swiffer, and I'll show you at the end what dirt I pick up with this wet wipe Swiffer. And it's so good, you can do it under the bed as well. It reaches everywhere. You don't have to go down. You can be standing and doing this while you have your exercise and you walk around. And it's not really wet. It does pick up a lot of dirt. And I'm gonna, at the end I finish cleaning the whole house, I will show you what gets picked up by this wet Swiffer pad, okay? So let us see. It's a test of Swiffer. As you can see how much dirt gets picked up by this Swiffer Wet. I'm gonna turn those around. See these wet mopping refills. So very easy to put on, mount on this Swiffer mop, and you can clean your house very easily, under the bed, everywhere, without moving anything. So I highly recommend this product for sure. Thank you for cleaning with me with Swiffer Wet Wipes. I hope you like my video. Please do share my videos with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.